Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about make your own future. Let's dive into today's video. If you want to improve yourself, you should definitely have some daily habits in your life to change your life in a good way. You should definitely start changing your life with these small habits in your life. Everybody has a different lifestyle. Everybody has a different dreams in their life. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you like to learn in your life, you should take action and you should start changing your life in a great ways. These small habits will definitely change your life in a great ways. You should definitely start to change your life right now at this moment. You have to make a decision about what you can do to improve yourself, and you should take action and you should start changing your life in a great ways. There are a lot of different habits that you should have in your life to improve yourself. It really depends on you. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you like to learn in your life, you should definitely do something about it and take action in your life to completely change your life in a great ways. You have to do this by yourself. You are on your own. Nobody is going to help you to have a better life for yourself. You have to make a decision to change your life in a good ways. Nobody is going to change your life. Nobody is going to help you to improve yourself. You are on your own and you have to make your own future by yourself. You can start by having some daily habits in your life to improve yourself. For example, you should start waking up early. This is really gives you a lot of free time to make your to-do list before your day starts. And after you do this, one of your habits, you are going to have a lot of free times to improve yourself in your daily life. This is really important. You should start waking up early to have some free time for yourself. You can go outside and running for 1 hour if this makes you happy in your life. If you like to exercise in your life, you can do this by waking up early in the morning, and you are going to feel amazing after you finish your exercising. This is really gives you a lot of motivation before your day starts, because when you finish your exercising, you are going to think positively. You are going to have a great mindset before your day starts. This is going to change your life in a great ways. Waking up early every single day is going to give you a lot of benefits. You are going to realize that your life is going to change in a great ways after you do this one of your habits in your life. You should start reading a lot of books. This will completely change your life in a great ways. Every time you read your books, you are going to improve yourself in a great ways, because every books that you are reading will give you a different life lesson, and you are going to improve yourself in such a great ways. Reading books will give you a lot of benefits. It really helps your brain to think positively. After you read your books, you are going to think positively and you will have a great mindset. Reading books will definitely change your life in a great ways. Even if you have a busy life, even you are working really hard, at least try to read your books 15 minutes, 20 minutes every single day, and this is going to change your life in a great ways. Every book that you're reading in your life will give you another life lesson, and you are going to start improving yourself in a great ways. I highly recommend for you to read your books at least 15 minutes every single day, and you are going to realize that these small habits is going to change your life in a great ways, and you are going to start improving yourself. You might want to learn different languages in your life, and this is going to gives you a lot of benefits. You will be able to communicate with more people from other countries if you can learn a new language. Let's say you are going to learn English language. After you learn this language, you are going to start communicating with people from other countries because English is a worldwide language. After you learn this language, you are going to have a great friends from other countries and you are going to communicate with more people just because you are learning English language. If you want to improve your English language, you should start studying your English language at least 15 minutes every single day, and these small studies is going to change your life in a great ways, and you are going to understand when you are listening to the English videos, English movies or English TV shows. You are going to understand everything when you listen to these videos, and this will make you happy about it. When you are making your English studying every single day, when you do this regularly, you are going to learn a new language in your life and you will be able to connecting with more people from all around the world. All you have to do is just try to make your studying 15 minutes every single day, and you are going to realize that you are learning new English words, new English phrases every time you make your English studying. After you learn English language, you are going to improve yourself in a great ways. This language will give you a lot of advantages. For example, if you want to go to another countries and you know how to speak English language, you won't need anybody's help. You are going to make your visiting by yourself without any help, and this will make you really happy about it. Learning English language will give you a lot of advantages. You are going to communicate with more people and you are going to make some friends from other countries and you are going to learn about their culture and you are going to learn about their history. Trust me, this language will give you a lot of advantages. All you have to do is just make this one of your habits in your life. At least try to stay with English language 15 minutes every single day, and this is going to change your life in a great ways. If you are studying at the university and if you have a chance to visit to another countries, you should definitely do that. When I was studying at the university, there was a program called Work and Travel. I joined that program. It was an exchange student program between United States and Turkey, and I joined that program and I go to United States when I was a student at the university. I was so happy that I made that decision for myself and went to the United States when I was studying at the university. After I go to the USA, everything changed in my life in a great ways. I've seen a lot of different people from other countries. I met with amazing people when I was living in the United States, and when I was speaking with them, I was learning about their culture. I was learning great information about their country. If you have a chance to visit to another country in your life, you should definitely do that. This is going to give you a lot of benefits and you are going to see the differences in your life and you are going to realize that your life is changing in a great ways. You should definitely do that if you have a chance, and trust me, you are going to be happy about your decision. First time it might be really difficult for you to visit another country, but after you take action, after you make that decision and you go to another country, everything is going to be okay and you are going to realize that there is nothing that you should be afraid of, because a lot of people are afraid of visiting another countries. They are thinking of, my English is not enough for visiting another country, or what am I gonna do after I go to another country. These are really okay because you never visit to another countries before, but after you make your decision to visit to another country, everything is going to become really easy for you and you are going to realize that there is nothing to be afraid of visiting another country. You should definitely take action in your life and try to visit another places. This will completely change your life in a great ways. You should definitely have these small habits in your life and you will be able to improve yourself in a great ways. All you have to do is just try to have these habits in your life to improve yourself, and you are going to realize that a lot of great things happening in your life in a great ways, and everything is going to be great for you. Don't forget this, guys. Nobody is coming to change your life. Nobody is going to help you to improve yourself. You have to do this by yourself. You have to make your own future. You have to make that decision right now at this moment, and you should take action in your life and try to change your life in a great ways. I wish you guys best of luck. I hope you guys can change your life in a great ways. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.